Deep in Vermont's Northeast Kingdom, an innovative program is taking place, one that hopes to help solve a real problem facing many rural areas: the looming shortage of healthcare workers. Northeastern Vermont Regional Hospital has teamed up with Lyndon Institute and other area high schools to educate the next generation of healthcare professionals. The LNA Partnership Education Program pairs industry professionals with students to get a jump on their careers. High school students leave the program with an LNA certification, hands-on experience, and a path towards future goals, helping the student and local organizations meet the needs of community today and tomorrow.
When I joined Northeastern Vermont Regional Hospital in 2018, we did an analysis, and at that time, 36% of our nursing professionals were baby boomers. It doesn't take a big stretch to realize that we've got a workforce problem looming in the future. We've recognized for a long time that nobody's going to solve this problem for us. We need to work with our local partners to solve the problem for this community. Lyndon Institute is helping us solve this workforce crisis in a meaningful and profound way.
I would say I am an educator at heart. I enjoy teaching. The collaboration between Lyndon Institute and NVRH came about in an effort to provide skilled healthcare providers and really interest students in working in the healthcare industry. Our students here at Lyndon Institute are super eager, so by introducing our students through the LNA program, the last 2 years we have 100% success rate in our LNA testing. I'm very proud of our students.
My favorite part of this LNA class is the real-world connections I've been able to make. We've met some medical professionals from NVRH. We've gotten to get some hands-on experience and go visit some facilities in the area. When I graduate, I plan on going directly into the healthcare field.
My favorite part about the LNA program is being able to have the simulation lab. A year ago, I did not think about going into LNA at all, and honestly, working in the nursing home and seeing all the other LNAs work, I think it just inspired me to take the class, and it's helped a lot with working with my residents and getting to understand them and know them more. I would love to go to college and work at a hospital. I would recommend the LNA class, especially if you're not sure about going into healthcare. It's a very good start and it's very structured.
My name is Lyndon and I'm a junior here at LI. I decided to take the course here as a way to get a baseline for the medical field. I'm excited for all the opportunities that this program has provided me this far and all the opportunities that I'll get going into the medical field.
It's absolutely a stepping stone for these students and can lead to a great career in healthcare. The students come on board here, and in the fall they do a job shadow experience, which is that they're actually here watching people doing the job that they're learning to do. Once they get their license, can work in the field as an LNA, and many of them have come back to the hospital to work. My biggest highlight is watching these young adults mature and then come back as employees.
My name is Lauren LeClaire. I'm an LNA on MedSurg at NVRH. The biggest benefit of having my LNA as a student still in high school, I could go to high school and work as an LNA at the same time. At LI, there's an entire simulation lab that you can do every single clinical experience and anything in the school still. I got to work with real patients. I got to use all different kinds of medical equipment that you don't usually get to use in school. I am very happy that I did the LNA program at LI.
Vermont is facing a demographic crisis, and it's kind of twofold. We have an aging population, but also, more often than not, we export our young people. You know, there are two factors here. One is to really engage young people so that they see what a healthcare profession could look like for them and what it could mean for their future. It's also to give those kids hope, right? So it's a real win-win. One thing that I love about this program is it gives those young people an opportunity to see a career for themselves right here at home in the Northeast Kingdom.